Welcome to WeTravelThere.com. We're the website that's going to teach you all the ins and outs of the best locations around the world by talking to local people that live in those areas, that travel to those areas, that know all the insider secrets of that city, and we're going to bring them all to you. So stay tuned. We got a lot of talk about airline miles, hotel points, the latest travel news, promotions, tips and tricks and strategies, even travel hacking, all that stuff. What we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to travel, how to get to the places you want to get to, and we're going to speak to some of the best locals that know all the ins and outs of those cities, and they're going to share with you the best places to eat, the activities that are in that city that are beyond just what you see in the local guides, things like that. So we're going to get a real insider's perspective of these cities and make sure that you have the best trip possible whenever you visit that town. So thanks a lot for visiting WeTravelThere.com. We look forward to getting your feedback, your opinion, your comments, and look forward to meeting you when we're in your city. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon. Bye.